SuperValu became the latest major retailer to drop the price of their own brand milk products yesterday, following moves by Lidl, Aldi and Tesco. All four retailers now have 2 litres of their own brand milk on shelves for €2.35 and 1 litre on sale for €1.19. While an all-out price war across food staples may not be on the cards, retail giant Lidl said on Friday that the announcement of lower milk prices was part of a wider series of price reductions coming into effect on everyday essential items. Aldi said it will continue to review the market to ensure it remains the best value retailer on price, and if those further price drops come into effect, Tesco may be the next retailer to follow suit, given its Aldi Price Match promotion. Asked today whether reductions across other household staples are planned over the coming weeks, a spokesperson for Tesco said they could not comment directly on their pricing structures as the information is commercially sensitive. They said while cost pressures remain across the supply chain, we're committed to keeping prices affordable and helping households to manage their weekly shop without compromising on quality or our support for Irish suppliers.